Hello! Today I'm unboxing a Rokoko Smartsuit Pro for mocap stuff. I've never done any mocap before, so this is my first experience. I'm going in pretty blind. I looked up a lot of information about how to set this stuff up online, but right now I'm looking to see if there's instructions in the box, and there's not, which makes me feel kind of scared. However, I already know what to do for the most part. This is the moment of truth. So here's the suit itself. It's pretty high quality. Right now I'm thinking a lot about the cords that are run through the suit to the hidden sensors that are kind of woven into the suit's material. I don't love having it folded, but of course this is the carrying case that they send with it. And by the way, this thing feels extremely high quality. It feels like leather. I don't know, it's probably some kind of cool vinyl. It's like a suit jacket holder with spaces for what I'm assuming are spaces for the sensors right in there. And I kind of shoved my whole arm in. This thing feels crazy high quality. It would still fold the suit up, which I don't love. I'd prefer to keep the suit hanging when I'm not using it, so I'm not always bending and unbending the cords. You can see me thinking about that right there. So I'll keep it hanging for the most part. This is the suit itself. Feels really high quality. You can see Rokoko Smartsuit Pro. It has washing instructions, so apparently you can just take out the sensors and throw it into the washing machine and you're good to go, which is nice because I have a cat and it already has cat hair on it. So I didn't even think of that. So it's good that they told me to wash it, otherwise I'd let my stank all over it all the time. So actually, this is a small size. My fiance is the one who's going to be wearing it, and I'm going to man the computer. There's the cat, the provider of dirty cat hair. That's where you put your feet, of course, dummy. So what I'm thinking about right now is the zipper. I don't know how, none of my coats have zippers that last. They always break because I'm a dummy. But this zipper doesn't detach at the bottom like a regular coat. It prevents you from doing that. So I'm hoping that this zipper stands up over time. I'll let you know. So overall, it feels really good. The zipper's really stable. There's a lot of, I'm assuming those Velcro straps are to cinch things up and keep it tight. I don't know yet. I'm pretty sure that's what I've read they're for. And I'm trying to get a glimpse of the sensor right in there. That's what the sensors look like woven in. So I'll let you know how it goes. This is step one. My name's Lucas Gilbertson, and I'm using all this stuff to make a game called Lamp Black.